sports or event is a perishable commodity and it loses value once the event is over. A couple of interesting statistics. One which says the type of audience by age. Millennials, Gen X, Gen Y are the people who are likely to visit the stadium often, which says that you've got to have a more digital native experience for these folks. And when fans in Australia were asked about technology experiences while participating in a stadium event, they were ranked at the bottom when compared with other countries. This says that you have a lot of potential to introduce technology solutions for event management. Audience experience and revenue streams. So essentially what Oracle research report when talking about Australian fans in context of importance of items for participating in an event. Australian fans chose safety, environment, food, beverage, and technology over the actual event itself. It would be a game or a concert. And audience were likely to spend 91% more if they have a positive experience while participating in an event. And currently 17% audience use only the mobile app provided by the stadium or the team. So there is great potential to kind of improve on that. Audience experience, you should kind of look at it from 6 spheres: getting to the event, inside the event, experiencing the event, getting out of the event, outside the stadium, and beyond the stadium. And you've got to kind of address solutions for all of this. There is not a single app or a solution that will cater to all these 6 segments of user experience. Say, for example, while participating in an event, you want to find your way to the venue. Within the venue, you want to find premium parking slots. You want to have access to emergency response. You want to have an option to upgrade seats, smart traffic, both vehicular and people management, in-seat ordering, loyalty and rewards, heating and ventilation within the stadium. So there's not one app which could cater to all of these segments. So the essential idea is you've got to have a marketplace of apps. So we've picked up one specific problem. Say, for example, Marvel Stadium currently offers $32 for event period parking. If they were to segregate it into 2 segments, one for access near gates, one for access near exit rows, you could potentially price it differentially. And people near exits are more likely to go out of the venue quite early after the game is over. So you could offer them promotions and campaigns which are from sponsors on the way out of the stadium. They can experience that. Whereas for the other set of audience parked near the gates, they can be offered different campaigns to spend more time within the stadium. Audience experience in terms of architecture has to be split into 5 different themes: sponsor experience, event experience, stadium experience, concessionaire experience, and rewards experience. The idea is you should build no-code, low-code apps, which are essentially catering to all the 5 different stakeholders. So this is an app store for smart stadium that we have built using QuickBase citizen development platform. So you have a whole bunch of apps catering to different segments. Say, for example, for concessionaires, you have a set of apps. Sponsors, you have a set of apps. Emergency response, you have an app. Stadium heating and ventilation, you have an app. So we'll give an example. Say, for example, I'm an audience participating in a game. I want to kind of ride share with someone else. I can use this app, a request for a ride. The other person who is receiving this request could potentially accept or reject the ride request. Heating and ventilation, again, is an important aspect of the experience within the stadium. So this monitors air quality within the stadium in real time using sensors. And this is able to kind of set up alerts and notifications and recommendations for improving audience ambient temperature conditions, heating and ventilation within the stadium. Same concept, mobile app store for the ride request app, transportation management that we talked about. So these are the ways and means by which you got to kind of improve the audience experience. When you kind of look at how it benefits the stakeholders, audience experience improves. Other stakeholders like stadium operators, concessionaires, they are able to kind of improve operational efficiency, and they are also able to kind of create new revenue streams for themselves, which is beneficial to all the parties involved. And there's not that much in terms of additional technology investment that is needed to kind of bring on this change in audience experience. Please vote for us by clicking the like, giving us thumbs up below the video. Please also encourage your friends and fans to vote for us. Thank you.